Hi everyone, welcome to the collaboration or YouTube hop called hashtag What's in My Boo Bag. I will link the two hosts down below as well as all the other participants, and I hope you enjoy. The idea is to make a boo bag and then stuff it and show what you put in it. So here we go. I decided I had a couple options. I was initially going to cover a brown bag that I had gotten from actually PetSmart, but it wasn't as deep, and honestly, I ran out of time to cover up the PetSmart and decorate. However, this was a 2-pack from Dollar Tree. I don't know what I did with the other one. Um, I'm probably just going to use that and put a few things in it for my son. Here it is, this one. So what I did is I took my brand new glitter gel pens. Love these things. These are from Hobby Lobby, Masters Touch Fine Art Studio. These were in the art section. But they're real juicy and I love them. I went over the happy, the Halloween, all the stars, the bat, just the purple areas and the face features on the ghost. Someone had gifted this to me. So, excuse me. Sorry about that. I felt a sneeze coming, so I thought I'd better let it go. Anyway, I'm gonna re-gift the black cat um, tag. I forget what they're called, like the military have. I put 4 ghosty stickers on. Those are from Little Bee that I had gotten a Tuesday morning. I have another pack, but I think I put them away. So I just glittered it up on the front. I don't know if you can actually see, but they're shiny. You can see it in the Halloween there, and some of it is rubbing off. And then I have this bat trim, so I put it just across the top of the front, and 2 of them are hanging off the edge over there. And I did not decorate the sides or the backs, which I'm not going to turn it over right now. I'll bring that up in a minute. I have so much stuff on my desk, guys. So the card, if you watched, I don't know what it was anymore, but I colored these images. Oh, it was for Crack the Vault. So I made this pumpkin house and the little gnome people, the owl, this spider, and the Happy Halloween, and some other images. I did add some glitter to the pumpkin here, his shoes, the same pens, this, and then I had one cat Jemmy, so I stuck it down there. His head's kind of detached, but it's okay. I put one spider web that was a sticker, and I just put the spider I had done inside it. And 2 of these bats, I don't know where they came from, and some orange jemmies, and a little purple star that was like an individual. I think it was on the same sheet as this kitty. And then I have something for her inside. I'll cover up the note, but I had a sticker sheet and I used up all the remaining stickers on that sheet. I just wanted to get rid of them, honestly, and I thought it was a good way to use them. Happy Halloween and trick or treat and 2 pumpkins, and I wrote my message under there, and this is one of her gifts. So that's something that's in the gift bag, and here's the envelope for Haley. Again, use some stickers. You'll see them again. Um, so that will be put in. So I have to try and raise you up a little bit, as this is not going to fit. I'm going to try and go like this. I'm going to pull out one of the main things first, and I'll put the bag down. Oops. I did not tie this yet because I have to be able to show it to you. So I have a piece of that cloth that I used on my Deck the Year 8 Alder playing cards, and I'm wrapping it around a pocket letter. So let's move that, and here is the pocket letter. I think it came out cute. I was just digging in my stash. I think all the paper I used was out of one paper pad, and I believe it was from Honeybee Stamps. And then some of these trims, this one, this one, this one, not that one. The black velvety one and this one were off like a, I think it was Doodlebug Designs, and I can't remember for sure, but I think I got it Tuesday morning. It had various ribbons on it, and several of them are almost gone. So I'm trying to finish stuff. This was like design tape. I think I got it Target years ago. That still has some on it, some black glitter tape from my washi from my stash. And then just various, these candy stickers and these pumpkins were off the same sheet that I have here, and I'm going to gift her some. This was a Stampin' Up hat. This was another cat I had somewhere. These were Google Eye stickers, but honestly I threw the rest of the sheet out because it was a little crumpled, and you can see there's a line on her. These were off the same sticker sheet I put that one spider web on her card from, and I still have a few of those left. Uh, the Eek, the Boo Crew, the Boo Ya, and the Boo, and I think that's it, were off out of a sticker pack that had two little sheets, like little about that big rectangle sheets of word stickers on this silver and sort of iridescent, and then it had a bunch of other stickers, but they didn't really go with this pocket letter. But these and this were on one separate sticker sheet. I threw the rest out. That says Hocus Pocus, and these down here were off a sticker sheet. There was more gothy looking. This has skulls on it, and I was a little hesitant. Oh, this green polka dot ribbon was on that same ribbon pack. This is washi. This was a piece I had already punched out for something else, and it was left over. This is washi, Witch's Best Friend. So we have a black cat with a witch's hat and a black cat with a witch's hat, but oh well. These are Brad's. I believe those were also Doodlebug Designs, but I didn't want them going through the pocket, so I punched out little 1-inch circle punches in black, and for the stars I also punched out little, I think they're 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch, half-inch scallop circles, and then I punched a hole with my 1/8 inch circle punch. I got them a little off, but it's okay. And the paper was all ghost, so I thought that was the best place to do that. This haunting came out of the same sticker pack that had something else. I forget. I think the same one that had the words, but it was, yeah, I'm pretty sure. And spooky too. Anyway, and this one just says Eek because it's a spider. And then Jemmy's there, and I think that's the only place on here. So yeah, that's the front. I did use some green glitter glue. This is Studio G, which I think I got at Walmart. I'm not sure. Years ago. I'm using stuff I've had for ages. So on the back, her favorite thing's going to be this. It's just $10 gift card to Five Below. She has another gift card to a different store for a little more money in her envelope. My daughter said, just, $5 gift cards. Well, I didn't want to do 5 because if you go to Five Below, you're going to pay tax and stuff, right? So in Pennsylvania, you are. So even if you get something for $5, it's going to be almost $6. And so I got her 10 on this. The other one had a minimum of 25, so she's getting 25 on that one. These were two leftover die cuts I had in a pack of cat die cuts, so I'm giving her those. These were all die cut things out of the one paper pumpkin kit, and I still have at least that many, probably more, left. They're leaves and a cat and some pumpkins and other stuff. These were some felt stickers I had left. I think I just used one of them on something. I can't remember what, oh, probably my, one of my APCs. This is washi tape, ribbony stuff, those pumpkins again, two layers of them so I could finish the pack. This had been gifted to me. I see you. I'm just re-gifting it. And some bling. And that's it. That's all for the pocket letter. And then she could reuse this ribbon if she wants to. And I'm probably going to use that ribbon and this twine to tie the pocket letter up in this. So let me fold this up. I'm trying to make sure I fold it so that the gift card is inside. I will not tie that on camera. And then her next thing is this, which actually is a can of Pringles. So since this is airing on Halloween, she will already have this because I'm going to hand it to my daughter today, which is Tuesday at lunchtime while we were walking today. I thought about putting something else on here, but I'm not going to. And this is from a punch, so it didn't go all the way to the edge, but it's okay. It covered up the Pringles guy. It's a 2 3/4 inch punch, just so you know. This is closer to 3. But yeah, and then I put one of my things, I put all my, 3 of my 4 rosettes that I made during Martha Makes Art Live one time. On straws. I had 4 paper straws in my stuff for Halloween, probably were gifted to me. And I punched out, oh, that's where I die cut those other circles from. I die cut more of those. I had one left because I didn't put one on. And squished down the straw at the top and hot glued that on. And this is just ugly taped. I should have put washi, hindsight's 2020, but she can just tear it off. This is Stampin' Up! Double-sided paper, Potions and Spells. It's not my favorite Halloween paper of theirs. It was online only, not in the catalog, and I sort of understand why, because it's not very many designs and several sheets of the same papers, and I just wasn't crazy about them. But anyway, it is what it is. So that's that. And then I am gifting her the other stamped images, and I put them in a little extra bag thing, just stapled on some, what do you call them? No, designer paper. Actually, I think that's the back of that. No, it's a different paper. Anyway, and I just put this down with, I think, a removable. Yeah, I have these Scotch removable, reusable mini squares, and I put it down with 2 of those. So she can pull that off. I like that spider one. And there's 4 or 5 sheets of images she can color and cut and do whatever she wants with. So that's one thing. And then I've had these for years. She has a friend coming over for Halloween. I hate to just give, I mean, they're from Target from a long time, 2017. Yeah, that's the first year I started paper crafting. I was going nuts, but I will never use these. And same with these. These were also from Target. It was like 8 count, but it's 7 because I think I have one in my, I do, but I don't know. I won't give it to her because it's been used, but I'm not sure if this was in here because they look like different colors or if that was from a different pack. I'm not sure. Maybe this one was in there. Yeah, this one was probably in there. Huh. Oh, because, yeah, these don't have erasers, so this, oh yeah, they do down here. I might put this one back in there because I don't think I used that. Anyway, these were also from Target, and I don't think they have this kind. I haven't been there this year, but their little Target spot. Yeah, these were all 2017. I do have another set of these. They don't write that good, but anyway. And then I have these from Dollar Tree. I got, yeah, Greenbrier, $1.25. I don't think I ever opened those. And this is a pack of, it has little sticky notes and stickers. It's meant to be for planners. So I think it has some, it's like a little cover and yeah, Recollections Halloween planner pack. 7 20-sheet sticky notes. I can't read all that. 140 sticky note and 720, I don't know. Anyway, there's stickers and sticky notes, so she can use those. I also have these. I have no clue where I got these, and I think they're pretty full. I'll never use them. And I just had these loose, no idea. Somebody probably gifted these to me because they don't look like something I would, well, this doesn't look like something I would buy. This is adorable. I was going to use this in the pocket letter, but her cats are more like this and they're kittens there, but there's some doggies in there too. I just thought those were adorable. She might like those, although she's not really big into stickers. And I have one little booklet here. She can just use it as a sticker book or whatever she wants to do. And then, oops, maybe I'll put this in a different pouch because this is kind of tacky. These are from Walmart, I think. I don't know when. I think also 2017. More erasers. Why did I do that? I don't know. So then I had this other bag left over in my stash. So I decorated. I have a few orange and black already painted clothespins. So I put a piece of cloth on this one and I had one of these puffy things and I had some table scatter or sequins. So I just glued some of them down on here, and this I just put cloth down and the glue, Fabri-Tac, and the glue got kind of weird, so I covered some of it with that. I put one of my rosettes on the front here to match the bag, and the other one's just on a straw. There's the other googly eye cat. And this is her treat bag. My daughter told me she likes these, so do I. And what's in the bottom is all these. I kept some of them because for my son, because he likes these too. These are Harry Potter Milk Chocolate Kisses, Wizarding Worlds. I guess the bottom, let me check. The bottoms of them have different, I didn't even look. Oh yeah, so you're a wizard, Harry, and mischief managed, and I don't know what that's gonna say. It's just a picture of something. And so this looks like an hourglass. So yeah, just different Harry Potter designs because they both like Harry Potter. So that is it. So let me put her goodies back in here. Not much. I told my daughter I'm not giving her much. At first I wasn't going to give her any candy, and I thought, well, some grandmom I would be to not give her any candy, you know? And this I was going to put in the pocket letter, but it was too wide and I wasn't going to cut it. So that is what I did. Oops, that's on there. Sorry. Oh, I had this on the other side, I think. Yeah. Okay, so that's all, everyone. That's what's in my boo bag. I can't wait to see what everyone else had in their boo bags. I may not get to watch until Sunday because I have a craft fair Saturday that's next on my agenda to get that. Well, after my walk with my daughter today, that's next on my agenda. Sorry, that's glaring. So yeah, I hope you have a great week, and for those that do things for Halloween, happy Halloween. I'm not big into it anymore. I just used to like the cutesy side of it and see the kids dressed up. And I used to love dressing up when I was a kid and going out trick-or-treating. But the whole mischief night and scary part of it, no, that's not who I am. So anyway, that's all for now. Have a great week. I'll talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.